Greetings and salutations, UrAvgRider here. Let's talk motorcycle chain maintenance. So even though I'm not Ari Henning, I can still appreciate a clean motorcycle chain. Not only appreciate it, but think it's extremely important. But let me preface this a little by stating that my preferred motorcycle drive method is chain versus belt or drive shaft, of course. There are pros and cons to each, but there's no denying that a chain drive delivers the most amount of horsepower to the rear wheel. There's also no denying that a chain drive requires the most amount of maintenance. I'm not going to tell you how often you should clean your motorcycle chain. Your owner's manual will do that for you, and every motorcycle is different. Do I follow the owner's manual? No. And I'll just leave it at that. But that's just me, and I don't ride my Bonneville in the rain. But I definitely clean the chain after riding in the rain, as should you. The hardest part about cleaning your chain is lifting your motorcycle. Maybe you have a center stand or a rear paddock stand like I do for my Honda, but I have neither for my Bonneville. I bought this bike lift for my first motorcycle. It also happens to work for my Bonneville as they both have frame underneath. I have the front wheel secure in the wheel chock, which I love. Please see my video on this wheel chock. I then placed the 2x4 on the back side to raise only the back wheel. Once it's off the ground, that's all you need. If you have neither, well, then your option is moving the motorcycle bit by bit to clean the entire chain and then again to lube it. Works best with a friend. I can't stress this enough. For your safety, do not have the motorcycle running, even if in neutral, for cleaning. While you're at it, once you're finished cleaning your motorcycle chain, it's a great time to check the slack and check your tire pressure as well. Treat your motorcycle well and hopefully it'll repay you with reliability. Well, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.